Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a cover photo to your Twitter account. So let's start. First, open the Twitter app. First you have to tap on the three bars on top left corner. And then go to your profile. Now on your profile tap on Edit Profile. And you will see a plus icon at the top of the screen. Now tap on that. And you can take a photo right away or choose from an existing photo on your gallery. So I'll just upload a photo right away. I'll just quickly select a picture. Now you can crop the photo according to the aspect ratio. I'll just reposition it a little bit. When you are done, tap on Apply on top right corner. And then tap Save on top right corner. And your cover photo will be uploaded. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.